Ball in. That's five, that's five, that's five. Only one. Block, block. Slack. 1, 2, block. I gotta walk. I gotta walk. I gotta walk. I got a foul on the arm. Like right, red. Oh my God. Red, I've had enough. I've had enough. Technical foul on red.
You suck!
Back talk me.
You suck! You
Get his ass out of here. Get his ass out of here. He's gone. He's gone. Count it. Count it. And the foul. We got red on the wrist. Basket good one. I mean, this kid from Red, he's been ticking me off all day. I mean, he's showing blatant disrespect to my officiating. I mean, he's just a, oh no, you don't.
You were so bad at officiating. You probably never even played a game in your life. Eat too many donuts.
Yeah,
right there.
yeah.
Stop
That's enough. That's
Stop
enough.
going Krispy Kreme,
You don't think I can hoop?
No, sir.
Ball me, Blazer. Play up. Play up, young blood. That's the way we do, boy. Sit down, you little. You little. You little. We got a foul. I'm red. Red. Got him on the.
You suck!
You got, you got him on the arm. You got him on the arm. Got him.
Are you kidding me? You're the worst ref I've ever seen.
No good. Shot is no good. Time expired. Game over. Game over. Game over.
Tómanos en Singapuro, despacito. Puedo despertar si cuelo despacito. Dices cosas al oído, pero que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Despacito. Puedo sentar y besos despacito. Volver a perder en tu laberinto. Ya sentí tu cuerpo todo en manuscrito. Sube. You don't
I'm officiating a basketball game eating too many donuts right there.
You don't think I can hoop?
No, sir. You trash. You got too many donuts in your body.
I've heard enough. Ball me.